Introduce features. Interest and fast overview of UOKIER 4K Dashcam. Dashcams for cars with built-in Wi-Fi, 32GB SD card included. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. UOKIER 4K Dashcam. Mini but powerful. Watch Dashcam videos on your phone. Share instantly with your friends. Crystal 4K video quality both day and night. The WDR feature of UOKIER Dashcam would process lighter image and darker image and make sure you will get a clear image anytime. Storage temperature -4 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Using temperature 14 degrees to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Weather resistant and waterproof, made to work in extreme weathers. Easily cover 3 lanes on the roads with 140 degrees wide-angle cameras. It will reduce the blind area, and provide you a wider field of vision effectively. With the built-in G sensor, the Dashcam quickly captures an emergency situation and automatically locks the footage, which won't be overwritten by loop recording. If you want to get full highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.